Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel and the weekly Chrome update that we had for Chromium are now also in Microsoft Edge, which also will tell me to just remind everyone that if you're using a Chromium-based browser to check out for your updates to make sure you stay safe, as these are security updates. There aren't a lot, but they were all high severity. So on Microsoft Edge, of course, is upper right corner. 3 horizontal dots go into help and feedback about Microsoft Edge. And today, August the 14th, you will be pushed to 151.0.49.21.29.86. And so these are the security updates. There were like 5 or something like that, not a lot. And they, of course, should be available for your browser if you Brave, Opera, Vivaldi, whatever Chromium browser you're using. So make sure that you update. This really keeps you safe by actually fixing the security flaws. It means that going to a web page that would have bad code cannot, do its job. It cannot infect and infiltrate your PC because the security flaw is closed. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.